Internet makes the world smaller, and it connects us all. Even right now, you and me. We are living in a world of sharing. We share the knowledge and information. Today we are overloaded with information. The internet is possible of the web browsers. So, in this video, we'll look at the Asia's 7 most popular web browsers of 2019.
Knowledge.
Let's start. Asia's 7 most popular web browsers of 2019 are: Number 7. Internet Explorer, 1.9%. Internet Explorer comes with the Microsoft Windows OS. The popularity of Windows OS makes the Internet Explorer in this position. Number 6. Firefox, 3.08%. Most of the Linux OS use the Firefox as their web browser. Number 5. Samsung Internet, 3.36%. In the smartphone and tablet market, the Samsung is in the top 5 companies. And the Samsung products comes with the Samsung Internet browser. Number 4. Opera, 4.19%. Number 3. Safari, 8.51%. Safari is in this position because of the Apple iPhone, iPad and Apple Mac OS. And they bundle the iOS and Mac OS with the Safari browser. Number 2. UC Browser, 13.03%. UC Browser is mostly used in the smartphones. Finally, the number 1 Asia's most popular browser of 2019 is Chrome, with 60.66%. Chrome hold the first place, because it is fast and smooth running. And the Chrome come with all Android OS and it allow to install to any OS, whether it is Mac OS, iOS, Windows OS or Linux OS and others. Have you used all of these browsers? Let's use and find out which is the best browser for you, and let us know by putting a comment down below. Remember to give us a like, and share with your friends, and click subscribe for the tech knowledge, and don't forget to like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/technologymv. We will come back with more videos, to load your brains with more information. Until next time, have a good day, and thank you.